Hello wildlife lovers, welcome back to Wild Kingdom, yours go-to channel for fascinating wildlife stories. Today we are turning our attention to a creature that is as charming as it is elusive, the red panda. So grab a comfy seat and let's dive into the eye-catching world of these adorable acrobats. Red pandas, known scientifically as Ailuris fulgens, are small mammals native to the eastern Himalayas and the southwestern China. Despite their names, red pandas are more closely related to raccoons and weasels than to the giant panda. These little creatures are known for their striking red furs and bushy tails, which they use to balance while navigating the treetops. Red pandas are easily recognizable by their reddish-brown fur, white facial markings, and the ringed tails. They have a round face with large, expressive eyes and small black nose, weighing between 8 to 14 pounds. Red pandas are roughly the size of a domestic cat, but their fluffy tails can add an extra 18 inches to their length. Red pandas thrive in a temperature forest with a plenty of bamboo which make up the majority of their diet. These forests located at altitude between 4,900 and 13,000 feet provide the cool, moist climate that red pandas love. They are most commonly found in Nepal, India, Bhutan, Myanmar, and China. Red pandas are primarily crepuscular, meaning that they are most active during the early morning and the late afternoon. Their diet mainly consists of bamboo leaves, but they also enjoy fruits, berries, acorns, and occasionally insect and small mammals. With their strong curved claw, they are expert climbers, spending most of their time in the trees to avoid predators. Red pandas lead solitary lives except during the mating season, which occurs from January to March. After a gestation period of about 134 days, females give birth to 1 to 4 cubs. These cubs are born blind and depend on their mother's care for the first few months. Red pandas have a lifespan of about 8 to 10 years in the wild, but can live up to 15 years in captivity. Red pandas are currently classified as endangered, with a fewer than 10,000 individuals remaining in the wild. The main threats to their survival are habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. Conservation organizations are working hard to protect red pandas' habitat and promote sustainable practices that benefit both wildlife and local communities. Here are some fun facts about red pandas that might surprise you. Red pandas have false thumb and extended wrist bone that help them grasp a bamboo. They communicate using a variety of sounds including whistle, tweets, and hoof gags. Red pandas are known as firefoxes, which inspired the name of the popular web browser Mozilla Firefox. The red panda is a delightful and a vital part of our planet biodiversity. By supporting conservation efforts, we can help ensure that these charming creatures continue to thrive. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of the red panda. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating wildlife content. Until the next time, stay wild and keep exploring.